fire invites the world to imagine. The world begins with imagination. Electricity lets imagination change the world. Ouyue makes power use smarter and safer. Ouyue Electric Technology Company Limited began at the Yueqing Technology Incubation Center in Zhejiang. Ouyue focuses on new technologies, R&D, design, and manufacturing for medium-voltage gas-insulated switchgear. Ouyue received government technology startup funding and was selected for Yueqing's 2009 Technology Incubation Seed Fund. We manufacture 12 to 40.5 kilovolt SF6 fully insulated, fully sealed compact RMU switchgear. We also provide 12 kilovolt intelligent, eco-friendly, medium-voltage, gas-insulated switchgear cabinets. Through continuous innovation and technical breakthroughs, the team developed 12 to 40.5 kilovolt products. Rated at 1250 amp, the products use SF6 with full insulation, full sealing, and a compact structure. Ouyue is a rising enterprise, driven by passionate people working for their dreams. Generations of Ouyue people support China's power industry with reliable equipment. We provide reliable continuous power solutions across Shandong, Jiangsu, Henan, Guangdong, Yunnan, and beyond. Backed by technology, we create the best products and build safe, stable, intelligent distribution systems for society. Good work starts with the right tools. Ouyue is equipped with modern production facilities and powered by advanced equipment and intelligent technology. With professional manufacturing, lean assembly, strict testing, and exacting self-standards, we ensure every product's quality and performance. The range includes 12, 24, and 40.5 kilovolt SF6 fully insulated, fully sealed compact RMU switchgear. It also includes 1250 amp high current, fully insulated, fully sealed compact RMU switchgear, and 12 kilovolt eco-friendly gas-insulated cabinets. Products have passed national type tests and obtained reports, and are widely used in intelligent distribution systems for urban grid construction and upgrades. People, nature, technology. Senior engineers introduce proven advanced international technologies and keep breaking new ground. Ouyue masters core manufacturing technologies and processes for medium-voltage gas-insulated switchgear, with independent R&D, design, and manufacturing capabilities for various products. The company developed a composite switch contact pressure tester to provide ongoing assurance for Ouyue product reliability. Ouyue holds national invention patents and 23 utility model patents. Ouyue follows a clear principle: provide customers with the best products and employees with a better environment. Guided by technology and grounded in quality, Ouyue works with customers to create maximum value for society as its corporate mission. With scientific innovation and meticulous attention to detail, Ouyue strives to be an industry technology leader. Ouyue Electric warmly invites agents and partners to join us, move forward together, and create a brilliant future.